Hi there, this is Helen. I'm the Wellbeing Advisor for Mood Essential Oils and a meditation teacher. So I'm going to give you an introduction to meditation. Meditation is a proven way to reduce stress, to help control anxiety, to be able to increase your own emotional health. It also really helps create your own self-awareness. A lot of the people I've taught said it improves sleep, and it's also known to help with actual pain, physical pain. There are many studies out there these days and research that really show the benefit of meditation to your mind and your overall well-being. So the meditation that I teach, it's called Ramana Devi meditation, and it has been taken from the Patanjali Yoga Sutras, which is a Hindu scripture, and it's years and years worth of research into the techniques that actually help to prepare both your body and your mind to be able to meditate. Now, I used to try and meditate, something I'd always wanted to do, but I just used to fail nearly every time, and that's because I didn't prepare myself properly, because I had no idea that you had to. So I would just come home from work or whatever busy situation, I'd plonk myself down and I'd expect to be able to find this wonderful state of inner peace. My perception was also that I had to be able to still my mind and have like no thoughts, which I just couldn't achieve. So I gave up basically until I found this technique. And when I did, it made me realise that I really had to prepare both my body and mind by doing some of the relaxation and yoga stretches. And I also realised that I didn't have to stop my thoughts. I just really needed to learn to observe them and then to have a focus to help do this. And it was only then that I was actually able to meditate properly and effectively for the first time. And then from doing this, I have really found that meditation has helped me to reduce negative thoughts, to increase my own self-worth and my concentration. Some of the people I've taught have really said how it helps connect them to their own inner peace, your own inner self. It's helped people ease their anxiety, and what I really find it does is it just creates a space in your mind that you are then able to take a step back and make good, healthy choices in your life. So I deliver these meditation sessions. I can do them one-to-one with people. I do them online at the moment because obviously given our current situation, I can do it face-to-face as well. And I also have a website with lots of resources. I do online classes that everyone joins and we meditate together, which are really cool. So even though you're not in the same place as somebody, you can still feel the sort of energy and connection when you do this. I also teach them out and about in the community. So have a look at the link below, look at my website, and if you want any more information on meditating or would like to work with me, a one-to-one session might give you enough tools to set yourself off on your own practice. You can have a few different sessions to get yourself up and running and doing it, or you can join in with lots of other people doing the online sessions. So I look forward to hearing from you.